Assalamualaikum to everyone. Economics class 11th, higher secondary part 1st. Our today's topic is difference between primary data and secondary data, or you can say distinguish between primary and secondary data. We are going to make the difference between the primary and secondary data on the basis of different points. Before making the difference, before explaining the difference between the primary and the secondary data, we are going to first explain what do we mean by primary and secondary data. Meaning of primary data. Primary data refer to those data which are collected by statistical investigator himself. Or you can say the data which is collected by a statistical investigator by doing a field inquiry, by doing a field investigation himself. It is known as primary data. Moreover, the data is collected by RBI and CSO. RBI means Reserve Bank of India and CSO means Central Statistical Organization. The data is collected by these two organizations, these two departments, and are presented in the original form to the investigator. These data are also known as primary data. We can simply say the data collected by a statistical investigator himself by doing a field inquiry is known as primary data. One of the important point to note is that primary data is also known as first-hand information because these are original and are collected by statistical investigator. On the other hand, secondary data or secondary data refer to that type of data which are collected from some other agencies which are not collected by the statistical investigator, but these data are collected from different organizations. These are obtained from the newspapers, these are obtained from the journals. They are already collected by someone else other than the investigator. And these data are known as, secondary data are known as second-hand information. That's why these are known as second-hand informations. And before we are going to discuss the difference between the primary and the secondary data on the basis of the following basic points, I am going to explain you what is data. Data means the statement of facts and figures. When we are collecting some facts and figures by doing the field investigations for a predetermined purpose, this is known as data or this is known as statistics. Now let's explain the basic difference between the primary and the secondary data on the basis of 5 main points. So the first difference is on the basis of the definition. The data which are collected by some original source by the field investigation are the primary data. The data which are collected from second-hand information already published and utilized data are known as secondary data. The second point, originality. We are going to make the difference between the primary and the secondary data on the basis of the originality. Here we can simply say that collected from original source. Primary data are collected from original source, so they are more reliable, correct and accurate. On the other hand, the data is collected from some organizations, journals, newspapers and so on. These are known as the secondary data. So on the basis of the originality, primary data are more original than that of secondary data. And on the basis of secondary data are not as much or as original as the primary data are. Number third is the reliability or reliable source. We are going to make the difference between the primary and the secondary data on the basis of reliable source, reliability. Primary data is more reliable than secondary data. Simply, we can say that when a data is collected in the original form, collected by doing field investigations, it is common sense they are much more reliable, accurate and correct. On the other hand, secondary data is less reliable than primary data because they are not collected from the original source. Then expensive. We are going to make the difference which one is more expensive. Simply, the primary data are collected by doing field investigations. So the collection of these data require much time, more energy, more money. Simply we can say the collection of the primary data or the primary data are much more expensive. They need lot of expenditure. On the other hand, it is less expensive as compared to the primary data. These are already the collected informations. These are already the statements of facts and figures which are obtained from second-hand information from other agencies already utilized. So they need not any sort of expense, much more expense to expend. They are not much more expensive. So it saves the time, it saves the energy, and they are less expensive. They are less costly as compared to that of primary data. And the last one, precautions. While using this precaution means while from we are going to take the precautions while using both types of data. When we are using the primary data for the interpretation, getting the results, no need of precautions is to be taken because these data are accurate, reliable and correct. The results of these data are reliable and correct. So there is no need of precautions to be taken while using the primary data. On the other hand, while using secondary data, some necessary precautions are to be taken, because if we did not take the precautions, if we are not taking the precautions, these data are already collected data from the second-hand information. They may lead to the wrong results. They may lead to the incorrect results. That is why it is necessary that some necessary precautions may have to be taken when we are using the secondary data. Thank you very much.